We are what we cook. Am I a Grinch for not even waiting until Christmas Day is history to mention the C word, calories? It's not too early to throw out the reminder that what goes up, namely, your weight, should come down once the holidays are over. If you're like me, you give yourself a little break from calorie counting this time of year. It just seems wrong to refuse the treats that your coworkers, neighbors, and relatives have baked for the holidays, right? Yes, this is a food blog, but going oven-mitted hand in hand with creating great food comes acknowledging what happens when you consume too many of those delicious dishes. Every decent chef should keep that in mind. Weight Watchers shed a spotlight on how we eat earlier this month by altering its fabled point system. Instead of assigning an apple and a 100 calories pack of cookies the same point values, the company has decided most fruits and vegetables are 0 points. A small change, right? Well, the announcement was fairly seismic. Some of those who follow Weight Watchers' point system were incensed that they had to make the choice between fruits and vegetables and cupcakes. But the fact is, it's right to make a distinction between simple, whole foods and processed, packaged foods with a list of ingredients an arm long. Eating a helping of microwaved mac and cheese and fooling yourself into thinking it's the same as an apple or carrots is just that, delusional. No one is saying you have to give up the mac and cheese. Just eat it in moderation, and include good foods in your diet. I think that is what Weight Watchers is trying to encourage. Given how easy it is to heat up a frozen dinner or pull in the drive-thru when it's time to eat, it's not always easy or even convenient to do the right thing. At the risk of sounding like the nutritionist or physician I'm not, it can be done. Our Dear is full of healthy recipes. That's a good start.